Today we're gonna talk about one easy way to start investing in 2022 with little or no money to begin with. My name is Vladimir Jovo, and my goal with this channel is to help as many people as possible reach financial independence. Let's get right into it. For those of you that have no idea how to invest in the stock market, a great way to begin is to use one of those services that would round up every single purchase you make with a debit card or with a credit card and invest it in the stock market. It does the work for you. You don't have to do anything other than the initial setup. Most of these services are completely free and it doesn't require you to pay any monthly subscription or anything like that. One of those services is called Acorns, and when you decide to give it a try, I do have a link in the description below. When you sign up with Acorns, for example, you have the option to specify your investment style, such as aggressive, moderate aggressive, and so forth. Then you also have the option to tell them when you need to withdraw the money. Do you need it in a year, 2 years, or you need it in 10, 15, 20 years from now? And obviously, if you're gonna say that you need it in a year or 2 years, your investment is probably gonna be placed in a little bit less aggressive, more secure, more safe, but at the same time, you're probably not gonna get that great rate of return. And vice versa, if you say you're gonna need the money in about 20 years, your money gonna get put in a little bit more risky funds, but at the same time, higher potential for a higher rate of return. Then there are a few more questions and you are on your way to invest in the stock market. How does it work? This service, in this case Acorns, rounds up to the nearest dollar every purchase you make with a credit card or a debit card linked to Acorns and invests the change for you in the stock market. It invests it in investments that fit your style based on your profile. Are you an aggressive investor, a moderate investor, and when do you need the money? Do you need it next day? Do you need it in a year? Do you need it in 20 years? You have the option to also pick your own stocks. So let's say later down the road you become more proficient, you become more experienced, and you want to pick your own investments, you have the option to do so with one of the services. Let's talk about the benefits of these services like Acorns. Number one, the reason I love this so much is because it's very easy to start and you get the benefit from investing even when you don't know much about investing. Number two benefit is that your money grows according to your investing style while you learn more about investing. Number three benefit is there is no risk of losing a lot of money because here you work with very little money while you learn how to invest. Number four benefit is that if you decide to withdraw the money, it can be done very easily through the app. You know those accounts that they make you go through this 10 steps to get your money out? Well, not with Acorns. Number five, and this to me it's a bonus. As you become better with investing, Acorns allows you to pick your own investments and also it allows you to open a retirement account and start investing there as well. How many of you have never saved for your retirement yet? This is one step in the right direction. Who is this for? I believe this could be for everyone, but honestly, I would suggest this to people that are just starting now with investing, to those who haven't had much experience investing in the stock market and still want to take advantage of the 8th wonder of the world, compounding effect. When you want to sign up with Acorns, you can do so by using the link in the description below, and by using the link in the description below, you could earn $5. Not bad to begin with. This offer is only valid for a certain period of time, but regardless, let's say you watch this video in a month, 2 months from now, I would still encourage you to give it a try and start using one of the services so you too start your investing journey. In the next video right here, I walk you through some simple investing advice that when followed, it could bring you millions. Talk to you next time. Bye bye.